In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Gemini AI from Chrome address bar. This quick method lets you talk to Gemini right from the place you already use to search, the Chrome address bar, sometimes called the omnibox. It's fast, it's simple, and once you know it, you'll use it all the time. First, open your browser. Make sure you're in Google Chrome and look at the bar at the very top of the window, the same place you usually type website addresses or searches. That's where everything happens. Now, click into that address bar and type @Gemini. When you type this, Chrome recognizes that you want to use Gemini directly. You'll usually see a small visual cue in the bar, like a label showing you're about to send your next text to Gemini instead of doing a regular web search. After typing @Gemini, press the space bar or just continue typing. From here, you can start entering your question in plain English, as if you were chatting with an assistant. To demonstrate, let's use a simple example prompt. Type, "What's the disadvantage of AI?" Keep it conversational and don't worry about special formatting. Clear, specific wording helps Gemini understand your intent, so feel free to include brief context if you need it, like a particular industry or use case. But for now, that short question works perfectly for a quick test. Once your question is in the bar, press enter. Chrome will redirect you to the Gemini page and send your prompt automatically. You'll see Gemini begin generating a response that explains potential downsides of AI, such as bias, privacy concerns, or reliability limits, depending on the context of your question. Give it a moment to think. Responses usually arrive quickly. A couple of practical tips to make this smoother. This feature relies on your Chrome build and availability in your region or organization, so behavior can vary. If @Gemini doesn't seem to trigger, it may be because your browser needs updating or the feature isn't enabled in your environment. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, and remember that some features may require that you're signed in to your Google account. When asking questions, avoid including any private or sensitive information. Treat your prompts as you would any online form. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, type @Gemini, enter your question, and press enter. With this shortcut, you can reach Gemini from anywhere on the web without breaking your flow. Try it a few times and it'll quickly become second nature.